In this video, we'll show you how to connect TCHelper to your Grand MA3 console using OSC. This connection allows you to create and edit timecode shows directly from Reaper. Let's get started. First, open Reaper on your computer and start TCHelper from the Actions menu. To do this, click on Actions and select Show Action List. In the Actions window, filter for TCHelper, select it from the list and click Run. Once TCHelper is running, go to the Settings tab and click on Network. Here, enter the IP address of your Grand MA3 console or OnPC, for example, 192.168.0.1, and set the correct port number for OSC communication. The default port is 8000. If necessary, specify an OSC prefix and define the data pool you want to use. After completing these settings, click Save Network Config to confirm. If you're connecting to an OnPC instance on the same computer, click Connected to Grand MA3 OnPC. The IP address should display as 127.0.0.1. Next, switch to your Grand MA3 console or OnPC to set up the connection. Open Settings and navigate to In-Out. Click on Insert New OSC Data to create a new connection and name it, for example, Reaper. Set the destination IP address to the IP address of your Reaper instance and the port number to 8000. Define the prefix as Reaper and enable both Receive and Receive command options by setting them to Yes. Finally, click on Enable Input to activate the connection. Return to TCHelper and click on Test Connection. Check the command line history in your Grand MA3 console. If the test command sent by TCHelper appears there, your connection is successfully established. Congratulations! You've successfully connected TCHelper to your Grand MA3 console using OSC. You're now ready to create and manage timecode shows directly from Reaper. Have fun using TCHelper.